What's going on, you guys? Joshua Elder here with another video for you. Today, I want to talk about how to make quick money in 1 day online. This should take about 5 minutes or less for you to deploy. I'm going to walk you through the whole entire process. We're going to be using a marketplace known as Clickbank. Clickbank is a digital marketplace that houses hundreds and thousands of digital products that you can then go on and sell as an affiliate and make money from. So it's easy to sign up for Clickbank. All you need to do is go to clickbank.com. In the top right-hand corner, you click Create Account, and you follow the on-screen instructions, and you can create an account. Now, this can be applicable to any affiliate network, any affiliate offer online, but we're going to be using Clickbank specifically in this video. So let's go ahead and log in, first of all, to my account. And you will see back on the 28th and 29th of May, Tuesday and Wednesday, I did almost $1,000 within 2 days, just under $1,000 in 2 days using this one marketing method. Before we get into that method, you've seen the results. I want to show you how to navigate the marketplace and find this specific product that I promoted, because when it comes to Clickbank products, it can be very hard to promote and have success with certain Clickbank products because it's saturated. A lot of people are promoting the same product the same exact way. So if you want to make money with Clickbank quickly, you want to promote new products that are new to the Clickbank marketplace, that are high converting quality products, that have high payouts, that give you high commissions. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the marketplace right here, and not a lot of people know about this specific product right now. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna type in Commission Hero. Okay, this is a brand new product that teaches people how to make money with Facebook ads and using Clickbank, believe it or not. So you can see right here, $197.98 payout on average, and I've done exactly $957.72. So if you want to promote this product, all you need to do is click the promote button right here, and you need to email robbie@robbieblanchard.com. And you will get an approval from Robbie. Just let him know, hey, I'm interested in promoting your offer. Let me know when you can get me approved. Any information that you need, let me know. I'm really motivated to promote your product. And then once he gets you approved, then what we can do is we can go over here to the Affiliate Resources Center. His staff is going to send us this link. And what we can do is scroll down and we can use these assets to promote Commission Hero. What I did is I came down here to download Email Swipe and Hop Link. And then I opened up this document here. What we want to do is we want to take these email swipes, and what I did is I shared them on social media. And I'm going to show you exactly why I did that. Before I do, you've got all your different affiliate links right here. So you got the webinar registration page, which is where you want to send most of your traffic, sales page, order form, and webinar playroom. And then what I would do is I would delete these X's right here and add my own username here that I used when I signed up with Clickbank, which is Guts and Glory. So it's going to be gutsandglory.fbsuperafil.hop.clickbank.net. So I would copy this, and then what I could do is I could use like a link shortener out there on the internet. So I just type in link shortener. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on bit.ly.com right here. And then what we can do is we can paste our link right here. And then I'm going to click shorten. And then you can see my URL shorten right here. So I then copy this and then go out there and share it to my email list, on social media, on YouTube. Now, for most of you, you guys are brand new and you want to make quick money in 1 day. So I'm going to walk you through the process that helped me make this quick $952 within about 2 day time span, about 48 hours. So before I actually show you the method, I want you to understand the type of traffic that is out there. So you know the expectations of really what it takes to get results quickly or get results slower online. So you actually have 4 types of traffic, okay? Not just 3, but you have 4 types of traffic. The first type of traffic is slow to start, but very consistent traffic. This is traffic like YouTube videos and blogging. Over time, it kind of creates this snowball effect. When you start putting up content at first, you're going to get, 1, 2 visitors a day. Then as that traffic compounds by putting up more and more content, you get to a point where you've got hundreds of visitors a day and you're getting 50 to 60 leads a day. And that's kind of where I'm at right now. I've been uploading content on a weekly basis for quite a few years now, and I get free organic traffic, and most of the money that comes into my business is 99% profit. And it's because it's slow to start but consistent traffic. You can expect to start making some solid sales in a matter of 3 to 4 weeks. And then if you stick to this for 90 days, you can potentially see 3+ sales per day coming into your business on autopilot. So I like to call this virtual real estate, passive real estate. It's real estate out there online that's here today and also here tomorrow. People will continue to search for this video day in and day out for months and years to come. And I'll be able to drive traffic, leads, and sales using this very video without any extra work whatsoever. And that's what's great about slow to start but consistent traffic. Then you have low-hanging fruit traffic, which is like Facebook free traffic. It's also called warm traffic. And the great thing about warm traffic and traffic like Facebook, this can also be YouTube traffic once you start to build a following. But when you're starting and you want to get results fast, low-hanging fruit traffic from Facebook is going to be the best, because you've got people on your friends list that already know you, that already like you, and that already trust you. And so this is the strategy that we're going to be implementing today. But we also have long-term traffic, which is email traffic. So you want to be building a list through Facebook free traffic, and also be building a list through YouTube free and even blogging traffic. And when you build that list, you actually own that list. You don't own the list of subscribers on YouTube. YouTube owns it. You don't own your website necessarily. Your hosting company owns your website. But when it comes to email, you can actually download your whole list of email addresses and you own your email list for life. So you got long-term traffic there. Then you have quick traffic, which is also known as paid traffic. Paid traffic requires a lot more risk. It's hard to do when you're brand new because, I believe that you shouldn't be using your own money from your job to be paying for paid traffic, because you're just going to have more risk, and paid traffic requires a lot of risk. But if you can generate money from free traffic first and then use that money to scale with paid traffic, you can spend a lot more time testing and tweaking, which is what paid traffic and quick traffic requires. So you can pretty much turn on, the flip of a switch and start driving traffic with Facebook ads and YouTube ads and email ads and banner traffic and solo ads and CPA traffic. But again, it requires some initial testing and tweaking to make sure you're targeting the right people, you've got the right ad setup, you're using the right language, and you really understand the market that you're marketing to on a much deeper level. So in this specific video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be focusing on this section right here, low-hanging fruit traffic. Okay, so what I did to get this result here, nearly $1,000 in 48 hours, what I did is I used Facebook, and I used my Facebook wall. So I used this specific post that Robbie gave to me in his email swipes here. So let me just go ahead and bring that up once again. So it was this specific swipe right here. Obviously, you can use it for email as well if you've got an email list. I know most of you probably don't have an established built-up email list. And so what I would suggest that you do is go to your Facebook wall and copy this whole entire post right here. And what I did, instead of just showing results right here, which you could do, so you can download this, you can use a software like Jing, and you can take a screenshot of this photo right here. But what I did is I put a nice picture of myself and my wife right here, because I don't want this post to come off as too salesy. I want it to be as genuine and authentic as I can be. I'm not one that really likes to promote from a place of hype. So if you're somebody that is, posting this on Facebook and your following is used to not seeing hypey stuff, and then all of a sudden you post something very hypey, then they're going to be super skeptical. So you might want to change this up just slightly, be a little bit more creative, and post it in a way that's not too hypey. Even mention like, hey, I was skeptical at first, and then I came across this specific 2-step system, and I was amazed. And so what I want to do, if you're interested, is I want to share this with you. And so what I did is I copied pretty much this whole entire post right here. And then what I did at the end of it, this was crucial. I put, to attend the How to Make 1K a Day with Clickbank Offers webinar, complete the following. Comment 1K per day below, and then send me a personal message letting me know you want access to the webinar. From there, I'll send you the link to get direct access. So what I would do is I would take this bit.ly link, I would copy it, and I would just send this link to them through Messenger once they reached out to me. So you can see all these comments that I had below. And as long as they followed these 2 steps, I would go ahead and I would send them the link. So I had about 13, 14, 15, 16 or so comments of people that were interested in receiving this information, and that resulted in 2 sales. So that takes about 5 minutes to do. So what I will do also is I will supply this exact swipe. I might have made some changes here and there, but I will post that below if you guys want to use this exact swipe. So that's the process. That's how you make money very quickly, very fast in one day online using the Clickbank Marketplace and using this new hot product that was just launched on Clickbank. If you got value from this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment below letting me know that you got value from this. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate. And if you want to learn how to build a long-term affiliate marketing business from complete scratch without a stone left unturned, I will leave more links in the resources section so you can check out my top recommended system. Take care, have a great day, and we will see you in the next training video.